Hi, hello and welcome. This is your favorite chef Shri Bala. I hope you would love my recipes. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to turn the notifications on. Enjoy and happy cooking.
Happy 72nd Republic Day to one and all. On this occasion, we are going to do a national breakfast which is an idli and that too with shallots. So today we are going to see a fried shallots podi idli. Let's see it. Come.
Kindly note the ingredients needed for making shallots podi idli or the Chinna Vengaya Podi Idly. In a pan, I am crackling the mustard first. You need to pour the entire oil at one go. Then we are adding curry leaves. Then the shallots. Shallots also needs to be chopped. I am adding red chilli, a pinch of turmeric. Once the shallot is completely glazed, I am adding Shri Bala's idli powder. It has to literally seep into the oil. Now I am adding the steamed mini idlis. Mix them nicely so that the flavors get absorbed. You can add the idlis in stages. I have added in 2 stages. Then you need to start tossing it. Toss it nicely so that the flavors get absorbed. You need to toss it at least for a minute or 2. Gently keep tossing it back and forth. While it is hot, it will absorb the flavors nicely and shallots will seep in. This is a very important process. Gently keep tossing it. See the way I am tossing it, and keep a wider pan. The flavors will be absorbed completely when you toss it like this for a minute or 2. Then rest it for a while and you can serve it. You don't need any additional condiments or chutneys to go with this. This itself is a complete meal. It can be had hot or it can be also had in a room temperature or cold. It will stay perfect. I hope you would love this recipe and be doing it and sharing your feedback with me. Do subscribe to my channel and you can also buy all the masalas from Shri Bala. The links are given in the description. Thank you for watching the video.